Planhat's dashboards are a powerful way to bring your customer data to life, making it easy to analyze, share, and act on key insights. In this video, we'll walk through how to build a dashboard step by step. Before you dive in, take a moment to define your goal. What is the purpose of the dashboard? Who is your audience? What insights do you want to highlight? A bit of planning upfront goes a long way, so make sure to refer to our framework to help you plan your pages. You can find this in the How-To Library or the Help Center. You can build dashboards in several places in Planhat. In a section or a view within your home, within a company profile, or from the Content Explorer. For this walkthrough, let's create a sales pipeline dashboard from the Content Explorer. Start by naming your dashboard and choosing who can access it. You can update permissions at any time, so feel free to keep it private while you build. You can start from scratch or use a pre-built template to jumpstart your design. These templates are great as is or as a starting point, letting you customize and adapt them to fit your needs. Once the dashboard is created, it's time to add widgets. Planhat offers a variety, including bar charts, share charts, trend charts, distribution charts, text widgets, and data tables. We'll focus on a couple, but check out our Help Center and How-To Library for more details about each widget. First, we'll start with the text box for the title. They're also commonly used to provide additional context around the dashboard purpose or the story a specific widget is telling. The widget will be added automatically and anchored to the top of your dashboard. From there, you can easily drag and drop and resize it to arrange your data just the way you like. For text widgets, you can adjust the font, size, color, and more. Next, let's add a bar chart showing the number of open opportunities by sales rep. As a general rule, each widget follows a similar setup process. First, give it a name and description. Then choose the object you want to display. In this case, opportunities. Next, select the value and property. Here we'll choose count. Then choose how you want to group or split data in your visualization. You'll have options available from the model you're working on, so here we'll split opportunities by their owner. You can also customize the display under Customization. Reference values are used for benchmarking or targets. So let's say reps should have at least 12 open opportunities. Custom segments allow you to organize category values into groups, meaning there are fewer bars. So in this case, we could group sales reps into teams, but let's keep them individually listed. Finally, choose how to filter the data in the widget. In this case, we only want to display open opportunities, so we can choose from the global filter library or create a filter from scratch, leveraging the full power of Planhat's filters, including cross-model criteria. Now that the widget is displaying exactly what we want, it's time to format and resize and choose your colors. To make things easy, you can duplicate widgets, keeping the same formatting and configuration. So let's do this for the bar chart and adjust it to show total ARR of open opportunities split by rep. Next, we'll create a donut chart tracking the status of active opportunities this quarter. First, select the object, then set the value to sum and property to ARR. Next, remove the limits and split by sales stage. Under customization, let's show the legend, value, and percentage. And finally, add a filter. In this case, looking at opportunities closed or expected to close this quarter. Finally, let's add a data table widget to view all open opportunities. It works just like a data page, letting you choose your columns, filter your data, and take bulk actions. It's perfect for giving your team actionable lists directly in the dashboard. Pro tip: use text boxes to provide additional context or instructions. And since all widgets are anchored to the top, they're also useful as line breaks to help keep data organized. To foster collaboration and present specific views of data across your org, you can share dashboards with the whole tenant, with everyone that has access to the section where it's located, or restrict access to certain people or teams. You can even automatically distribute dashboards on a recurring schedule. Under Dashboard Settings, you'll find even more options, including the ability to submit your dashboard as a global template. If you've built something awesome, feel free to submit it for review. We're always looking to add more to our library. Now you know how to build a dashboard in Planhat. To go deeper into individual widgets and advanced configurations, check out our other content in the How To library.